Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make kulchas, authentic kulchas in my Royal Kitchen which are gluten free. See, the edges of the kulchas are broken down, split down, so gluten is not formed in our dough. I will show you how to make these kulchas with some tips and tricks so that our kulchas may be puffed up, soft and tender from inside and crispy from outside. Before going to proceed, I want to make a request. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant support and encouragement. I need your constant support for the promotion of my channel. See, our kulchas are very well puffed up. They are very layered also. I have made layered kulchas. See, I will show you how to make these kulchas in my Royal Kitchen. Let's get started. To make kulcha, we have to take 2 cups of wheat flour of any brand of your choice. Make a hole in the center. To this add 1 teaspoonful of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. To this add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This acts as a catalyst to ferment our batter. To this add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add half a cup of curd to this. See, some bubbles are coming in our ingredients. This means our ingredients are acting to form a yeast in this. Now let us mix the dough into a homogeneous mixture. If required, add 1 teaspoon of milk to it. You can as well add water instead of milk to knead the flour. To this add 1 teaspoon of oil. Knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. I have added the oil so that the dough may not stick to our hands as well as to the vessel. Now our dough is ready to make kulchas. Rest it for 10 to 15 minutes by covering the lid of the vessel. Let us take out the dough. And knead it and cut it into equal sized pieces. Take one dough piece and spread some flour and roll it like this. On this apply some oil and spread it and sprinkle some dry flour so that our kulchas may puff up when we bake them. We have to do this process. Don't skip this process to make the good kulchas. Now dip the dough into the black sesame seeds like this and sprinkle some coriander leaves on it. We have to roll it like this. Like this we have to make all the kulchas. Now we have to bake it. I have kept the pan for heating. Now take one kulcha on the hand like this and sprinkle some water on the other side of the kulcha. Spread the water and place the kulcha on the pan. Keep the flame in medium. See, our kulcha is puffing up. Some bubbles are forming on the upper side of the kulcha. See, don't flip it until the edges of the kulcha are separated from the pan. Now we have to flip it and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Spread it all over the kulcha with the help of a brush like this. Now flip it and add 1 more teaspoon of oil and spread it all over the kulcha like this, and we have to bake it until all the kulcha turns into golden brown color from all the sides. We have to bake it until all the sides of the kulcha turns into golden brown color like this. See, now we have to transfer the kulcha into the serving plate. See, our kulcha is baked into golden brown color from all the sides. See, this side also I have baked well. Like this we have to bake all the kulchas. Now let us take one more kulcha and spread water on the kulcha like this and keep it on the pan, and again repeat the same process. Whenever we bake another kulcha, we have to clean the pan like this with the help of a kitchen towel. See, our kulcha is puffing up like a balloon. I have made all the kulchas. See, they are baked very well and the edges are split. That means I have made the gluten-free kulchas. See, all the edges of our kulchas are split. Now our yummy, delicious, eye-catching kulchas with black sesame seeds are ready to eat and serve. Eat these kulchas along with some curry, veg or non-veg curry of your own choice. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.